Good morning, children. Today let us start chapter 5, that is Europe. We all know that we have 7 continents, children. That is, entire landmass is divided into 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Let us see the location of Europe. See, children, your textbook page number 42, location of Europe. See, this part, Europe is being shaded here, children. Okay, this shaded area is Europe. There is an ocean towards the north of Europe. This is east, west, north and south. Towards the north of Europe, which ocean is there, children? Arctic Ocean. Okay, this ocean is frozen for most of the year. Okay, and then name the ocean to the west of Europe. The question you see, children, name the ocean to the west of Europe. See, western side of Europe, this is Atlantic Ocean is towards the western side of Europe. This Atlantic Ocean separates two continents, that is Europe and North America. This side is North America, children, and below that is South America. So Atlantic Ocean separates North America and Europe. Okay. About 500 years ago, the people of Europe discovered the sea route to America. People of Europe wanted to do trade with various countries and continents. So they traveled and they discovered sea route to America. I told you just now, Atlantic Ocean separates North America and Europe. Okay, they have discovered the sea route to America about 500 years ago. And millions of Europeans then migrated from Europe to America and settled down there. Okay. Now next question is, children, look at the atlas and find the name of the sea just south to Europe. See, children, this is Europe, east, west, north and south. Toward the south of Europe, this water body you can find, children. This is what? Mediterranean Sea. Toward the south of Europe, which sea is there? Mediterranean Sea is there. Okay. This Mediterranean Sea separates Europe in the north from Africa in the south. This is Europe, children. This is Africa. This sea separates Europe and Africa. So, towards the north of this sea is Europe. Towards the south of this sea is Africa. Mediterranean means middle of the world. What is the meaning of Mediterranean? Middle of the world. Middle of the world. But do you know why Mediterranean Sea is called so? Because in ancient times, the people of Europe did not know about other continents like America or Australia. They knew only about Europe and western parts of Asia. See, children, this is Asia, western parts of Asia. These all regions are situated around Mediterranean Sea. That's why Europeans thought that this sea was the center of the world and named it as Mediterranean Sea. Ever since, this has been called as Mediterranean Sea. This is another question, children. Name the mountains towards the east of Europe. Towards the eastern side of Europe. This is east, children. Towards the eastern side of Europe, we have Ural Mountains. Eastern side of Europe we have which mountains? Ural mountains. Okay, these mountains are very high. Asia is on the east of these mountains. Again, Ural mountains, east, west, north and south. Towards the eastern side of Ural mountains is Asia. Okay. See, Ural mountains, Asia. Asia is towards the east of Ural mountains and Europe is towards the west of Ural mountains. Asia and Europe are one continuous landmass, children. See, Asia and Europe. There is no water body in between. So this is only one landmass. That's why this landmass, this entire landmass, Europe and Asia, together is known as Eurasia. What is it called? Since it is Europe and Asia is only one landmass, it is known as Eurasia. Now, we are familiar with the location of Europe, children. Now, in the map too, the countries of Europe are given. Let us read the names of the countries. And after that, map 3 is given blank for us. We have to write names of the countries in the empty spaces given. Okay? Look at the map of Europe, children. This is map of Europe which is given in your textbook, page number 44. See the map of Europe. See, towards the northern side of Europe is Arctic Ocean, then Norway, Sweden and Finland, Estonia, okay, Latvia, Lithuania, Belarus, Poland, Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Denmark, United Kingdom, Ireland, okay, this is France, Italy, Austria, Czech Republic, Ukraine, Slovakia, Hungary, Romania, okay, Bulgaria, okay, Black Sea, Turkey. This is Turkey, children. Spain and Portugal, Switzerland, okay. This is what Europe is, okay. Russia, okay. This is Caspian Sea. The same thing is given here. This is Montenegro, children, okay. The same map is given here. You have to see those names and fill the names of the countries down in this empty map given. This is also your homework, children. After filling, post this in homework app. Look at Euro physical map, children. See these brown ones. These are all mountain ranges, children. Okay. And there are few mountain ranges in Europe which are always, they are covered with snow throughout the year. Among them, one is Alps mountain ranges. They are covered with snow throughout the year. See, children, they are asking us to compare map number 2 and map 4 Just now we have seen map 4 children, and map 2 is countries map. Okay, they are asking us to compare both the maps and answer the questions given here. Write the names of 2 rivers starting from the Alps. See children, river Rhine river starting from Alps. River Po is also starting from Alps. And then Danube river is also starting from Alps. You can write any 2 names children, river Rhine and river Po. The next question is, name the countries across whose borders the Pyrenees stretch. Look at Pyrenees mountains children. The countries here, name the countries. They are asking us to name these 2 countries. Let us see in physical map 2 children, political map of Europe, map 2. See, Pyrenees mountain ranges are here and the countries are Spain and France. Answer is Spain and France. Next question, name the mountains stretching to Eastern Europe. Answer, Ural Mountains, towards the eastern boundaries of Europe. Ural Mountains. See the last question. Identify the other mountains in Europe and prepare a table. You have to see the mountains in map 4, names of the mountains, and write them in the tabular form children. Look at them children. Scandinavian ranges, Ural Mountains, Caucasus Mountains, Dinari Alps Mountains, Alps Mountains, Apennines Mountains, Carpathian Mountains, Pyrenees Mountains, Pennine Ranges. I think we have covered all the mountains children. Next one is study maps 2 and 4 to answer the following questions. First question is, names of the countries through which river Rhine flows. This is river Rhine children. Answer is Germany, Belgium, Netherlands, Austria, and Switzerland. Next question is, name the countries through which river Danube flows. River Danube children. The countries are Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, Romania, and Ukraine. Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, Romania, and Ukraine. Slovakia, Austria, Hungary, Romania, and Ukraine. Next question is, name 2 countries on the borders of Hungarian plains. This is Hungary children, Alps and Dinaric Alps. Alps and Dinaric Alps is the answer. Next question is, name the countries which ring the Black Sea. See here children, this is Black Sea. The countries are Russia, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey. Okay, 5 blanks are given, 5 countries. Russia, this is Black Sea, no? Border is Russia. Then this is Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey. Look at the board children. Textbook page 47. The questions are given here and answers are also given. Copy the same in your textbook. With this, let us conclude this session here children. We will continue the lesson in the next session. Thank you children.